Come with me and cast a love spell. Hello, gorgeous. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gigi. Let's start by making some 3D charms. And for that, we're using I think they're Laza, L-A-Z-A molds. We have got this cute little potion bottle, which is perfect for today's set. And while I make that, guys, let's talk about 1,000 subscribers. Ooh, you did it, guys. We did it. Oh my goodness. I made the videos. You guys subscribed, and together we got me to 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. So thank you guys very much for that. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that button because we are going to be doing a giveaway very, very soon. Okay, so just really quickly, I've made charms on the channel before, and there's quite a few videos of that process. What I'm doing is just really jamming some polish in there, right? That's all. I want the color that I want. And the molds themselves have a lot of texture, so I don't want to paint them. So, because I don't want to lose that texture, right? So what I did with the potion bottle, which you see here, is I put down the pink first. And I did the whole mold in pink because I do want it to look like the red is filling up a pink bottle. And I think once we pull it out, I think you're going to agree that it really did work because the texture has almost, what's the word I want to use? Like shoot. I swear, I just had the word in my head. Frosted, almost a frosted sort of look because the pink is lighter, right? So after getting all of the colors in the mold the way I want them, I went on ahead and filled it up with that, the McCart rhinestone gel. So there you go. So here we go. Let's look at it while I kind of clip off the little bits that are extra. And you can do this. Sometimes it'll just flake off with your finger, but this one had a couple spots that needed some work. So these are just very old nippers that are too dull to use really on myself anymore. So I just use it for cleanup stuff like this or popping gems off of nails, that kind of thing. So, and that's all we're doing right here. It's just getting all of that off, right? But I love how it definitely looks like there's a potion inside of a bottle. These molds are so fun. Some of them are so delicate, it is really, really actually hard to get it to make what you really want it to make. I'm doing a set for my granddaughter that has angels, and one of the molds has tons of angels on it, but the wings snap off because they're so delicate. Excuse me. So, there's a learning curve with them, but they're super fun. And I would say give them a shot. So now we had the heart frame that we did, and I actually did 2 of those. We did our potion bottle, and this is a candle. And I am doing it in 3 parts. The top, which is the flame, is yellow. Then the candle itself is red because that's the candle color for romance. And then the bottom is silver because we're doing a silver candle holder. So it all just really comes together. And it's super easy. Just make sure that you don't get the colors you don't want in the sections you don't want them in, if that makes sense. So this is the color all the nails will be painted. 2 of the nails, we're going to use a technique that I did in a short this last week. I will link it up in the little doobly-doo because it looks completely different than these, but I'm going for a gemstone-y sort of quality. And I'm really happy with how it came out. So this is a cat eye. The base color is Beetles, and the cat eye is Modelones. And I'm just activating it. I'm not really trying too hard to push it to one side or the other. I just want, that cat eye gleam underneath the whole thing. And what I'm really doing right now is playing because I have this new magnet that I picked up a few weeks ago, and I just want to see what things do. So I'm just playing, right? And then right there, I went, oh, that's what I want. There you go. Very shifty. Shifty. That's funny. So sus. Anyway, now I'm coming in and I'm putting down my favorite foil gel, which is by McKay Bling. And this is just some random foil. I don't know the brand. And then I'm just putting down the foil and pulling it off. And look, I love how the hollow doesn't obscure the cat eye. You see both. It's so pretty. But now we're going to take this sharp tool. This is a tool that you would use for like sculpting clay and stuff. And I'm just going to scratch some lines into it. You can go as heavy or as light as you want. I went kind of medium, I guess. And then once we get it all scratched up the way we want, we're going to come in with this alcohol ink. Sorry that I'm losing my words right now, but I'm doing this voiceover a lot later in the day than I normally do. So you know what? I'm a little loopy. It's okay. It's okay. So you just do it as many coats as you need to. There's the thumbnail right there that is also going to match this ring finger, but I just figured for brevity's sake, I'd just show you the one. Excuse me. My asthma's being a little annoying tonight too. And it is going to, this alcohol ink, because it's not a matte surface, it's shiny, or, you know, as shiny as transfer foil could be. It sort of like like it, whoo, my words aren't coming to me today. It disperses, it cracks apart, and it goes into all those little scratches that you made, and it gives it a very like gemstone kind of quality. So I really love the technique. We're going to play with it a ton because as soon as I did it the first time, it's actually really easy and super fun. So definitely go check out that short. It needs some love too, right? I thought it was going to just totally pop, but she didn't. Okay, so go give her some love. Now, what I'm doing, I've got these cool plates that I got a few weeks ago as well that have, you know, fake handwriting on there. It looks like handwriting, but it doesn't actually say anything. There's no real letters or anything in there. So it's just super fun, and it looks like old love letters or something. Or maybe it's a grimoire page where you wrote down a love spell, because that's what this set is all about, casting a love spell. Okay, so what we're going to do is lay that down as a base for all of our 3D elements to come into play. I put half the letter on that nail, the other half over here, and on our gemstones, we are going to do these tarot inspired images. I have one of the plates that came in those sets was the tarot cards, the major arcana. So we're going to put down the lovers. Here we go. I'm sorry, I'm so high up on the camera. I'm almost completely out of frame on that one. Now we are going to use the symbol for the moon, but I'm not going to use the words like I did on the lovers, because the point of this set is not the moon card, it's lovers and a love spell. So we are just going to use the image of the moon, and I like that it has those little gemstones in it. I think it looks super cute and very romantic. So we're going to pop it on the ring finger that we did together. There we go. Look, came out so cute. I love it. Now, because we're done with those two nails, I'm going to go ahead and top coat them now. But let me tell you, there was no footage of that thumb because I was out of frame completely. So I'm sorry. And actually, I need to tell you as well that there's no footage of the top coat for these other nails either, or the glitter, which you will see in a moment. My camera ran out of room and I just didn't have room to do it. So I did some glitter around the top of the bottle, which you can see in the reveals, and around the candle as well, just to denote magic, right? And then inside the frames, I put the same glitter because the frames to me are like charms, love charms, right? And so this, as you're seeing here, is the finished set. And I have to say, I love them. They're so pink and so pretty, a little like magical Barbie. It's a beautiful love spell. Let me know in the comment section. Is this the kind of set that you would wear? Do you think this would cast a love spell on the one that you want? I hope it would. I think it would. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Make sure that you are subscribed no matter what, because that giveaway video is coming up soon. Bye-bye.